Hi and welcome to my channel. Sorry for not uploading for more than a month. I guess I became a victim of summer exhaustion. Plus a little bit of sloth, laziness and all the other synonyms of those things. For today I prepared an Inazuma Vision tutorial. I hope you like it. Most parts of this vision are round, that's why making it is quite easy. You can either cut out all the shapes from the template or use some cookie cutters like me. Assemble them all and glue with some water. You can also use regular glue after the drying process. And now I'm going to use the most professional tool that I own. Please don't laugh, I seriously didn't have a smaller cutter. As always, you can paint your vision with either golden or silver paint. For the Electro symbol, I decided to use silver paint, because I simply like shiny things. The Electro symbol could have been better, but I'm happy with the result. It looks better in the sunlight, but I had to record it with a lamplight. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you think that I earned it. If you have any questions or suggestions, the comment section is yours. See you soon in the next video.